guys, good morning. It's morning on my side. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nolsuwe Lubisi, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for um for being on my. I guys love it. I hope you like it here. So yeah, my channel is all about homemaking, beauty, all things in between, and of course, don't be deceived by this silence, by this peace, because the kids have just left for school right now. So yeah, today it's a Friday morning. It's like I'm always starting my vlogs every Friday. I think that's the only time I have. So I'm preparing for work. I'm actually a little bit late. I still want to make my bed. Just want to make my bed and fix here and there, and then after that I leave for work. I hope you come with me to work today. I begin to diet way. Where's the diet? Hi. Guys, my collection I today. You've been influencing we were watching you the whole week in Chennai.
Olá. 학생.
Ayun dyan.
Sige na naman dyan.
Okay. Kumbala muraban.
Andyan.
I begin to
I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I don't want to make it too long, but yeah, as promised last week I said I want to cook on fire, so now I've already set up the fire, and yeah, we are cooking on fire. So I'm cooking cabbage and what do you call pig's head, a pig's head. Just comment if you love my cooking or if you love my menu. Let's just put it this way, because I'm not a chef, I'm not a professional cook. So yeah, thank you very much guys for stepping by. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog.
I begin to